So I picked a cold day to do this, but this is the lid of my Husky tote that I bought at Home Depot for my Navigator. And I ended up, instead of U-bolts, I bought 5-inch mending plates. There are 4 holes. I'm using the 2 in the middle to straddle the rack, as you'll see. I could actually cut off the ends, but right now it's too cold. I don't want to mess with it. So mending plates, 5-inch mending plates, 2-inch bolt, 1/4-inch bolt with a lock washer and a nut. So here's my Navigator. Here's the new Husky tote. And all I did was center it and push it right up to the front of the rack. And then what I chose to do was I put in the mending plates down here, 5-inch mending plates, and use the bolts in the middle. And I'll show you in a second what it looks like underneath. But I just put one here and one down there. And I was going to space 2 more, but I really don't think I'm going to need to do that. I mean, if I was really going crazy, I could drill holes through these holes that are already there in the rack and run bolts through, but I don't think I'll need to. Well, I have more holes in it than I need. This is not going to hold anything super critical. It's just going to be ropes and wheel chocks and just different things like that. Nothing fragile or that would hurt if it really got wet, but this it's not going to. When it's warmer weather, I'll put silicone and it will take care of it. So it's rock solid and it is going nowhere. This will work really well. So you can see down below I have some 2-inch bolts coming through, lock washers and nuts, and another mending plate, one on each end. And when it's warmer weather, I'll put some silicone on the inside and outside around it, and it's going nowhere. So this thing, I'm going to shake it. I mean, it's going nowhere at all. I'm pretty sure I won't need to put bolts through the front there. But you shake this and it's rock solid on there. And then of course, when I put the lid on, it has handles on the ends that snap tight, but I'll still run a bungee or a strap over across the top just to be sure that there's no way it can fly off. So